Hey guys, welcome back to Coding Flamingo. In this video we're going to look at adding users to a SQL database. So in this case in here we have our database, so we're just going to do a new query. We're going to copy from the previous query that I had and we're going to run it, but first let's just go through it. So first we have, if you want to create a user from your directory, you basically do create user and then the user UPN, and you do from external providers. This will tell Azure once you have done the AAD admin on the portal that it's coming from Azure Active Directory. If you want to do a group, you just do the group name. So in this case, we're going to do CryptoTrader admins, which in here we can see that it's just a security group that we have with our admin members. And I recommend doing this for even if you're going to have applications and stuff. You can also add the application itself without being a group. You just do the app name in here instead of the group name. But I just like having groups because then you can ACL them everywhere, and if you have to delete something, you just delete it from the group instead of having to go to every single resource and remember to delete that person or that application. So in here we're gonna do create user, and then we're gonna add it to be a database owner. So in this case it's gonna be an owner because it's the admins, but in here you can see you can have data writer, data reader, and many other rules. So you can just literally go on Bing or Google or just type in this information and it'll come up like what databases are. So alter role, this is going to give us the role of owners, and now we're done. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.